Welcome to this tutorial on creating email campaigns with Meiro. To get started, navigate to the Channels Emails tab in Meiro Business Explorer and click the Create Email button. Craft a captivating email subject and a compelling pre-header to engage your audience immediately. Specify the sender's email address and consider adding a personal touch with their name to make the message more relatable. Optionally, use UTM parameters to gather valuable insights on campaign performance. Proceed with the content of the email to craft an engaging campaign. If you are proficient in HTML, you may create content with the HTML option. Alternatively, use our intuitive visual editor that helps simplify the process for marketers of all levels. After selecting the visual editor option, you'll have a user-friendly interface. Start by dragging and dropping content blocks, such as text, images, buttons, and more. Use the formatting tools available in the visual editor to style your email content. Customize fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand's identity. We recommend referring to our documentation for a more in-depth exploration of the editor's possibilities. You can find the link in the video's description. For personalized content, use the attributes to automatically populate recipient-specific information like names, locations, or product images. Preview your email at any point to ensure it looks as expected. Before saving and sending your email campaign, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Send a test email to yourself or a dedicated testing group to ensure your email appears as intended on different devices and email clients. Preserve your email campaign progress by saving it. In our next video, we'll walk you through the process of activating your email campaign.